let's see what I've got in my trusty first aid kit. Bandages, emergency toothbrush, Mum's mould spray. How did that get in there? More bandages, sticky ones.
Hey, watch it.
Sorry, citizen. Just a bit of all-natural mould removal spray. Only lemon juice, nothing to worry about. Hey, your nose. That white stuff's gone away.
My sneezing stopped.
Wally?
What did you say that spray was?
Me mum makes it with lemons and uses it to clean the icky mould under the bathtub.
Whiskers, that's it!
That spray gets rid of fungus, like mold under the bathtub.
Or the white stuff on bats' noses. Wally, you found a cure! And it's totally safe.
Look at that. I've solved another mystery.
Well, I wouldn't say you solved it.
It was more a lucky accident.
Kiss your sniffles goodbye, baddies, for Wally's found a cure! Dr. Wally's here.
What was that?
Wally?
What's happening in there?
Did you spray all the bats?
Almost. Just a few more to go. But this case just became more complicated. There's something else in here.
Something else? What is it?
I didn't get a good look, but it had big old fangs.
Okay, what else do you remember?
I saw it slither away out of the corner of my eye, and it made a noise like...
Sounds to me like...
Duck! Stop right there! False alarm. Just that rock that looks like a duck. Good thing these vines are here to help me up.
Vines? Wally, be careful. I think you're dealing with a...
Snake!
A snake in our cage?
As if we don't have enough trouble.
Wally, that sneaky snake must have followed you in there.
Sounds like a rat snake to me. They slither around cave ceilings looking for a bat snack.
Wally,
You've got to get that snake out of there.
so you can finish giving the bats their medicine.
Agents, maybe I'm not the right ranger for this job. The only thing that scares me more than the dark is snakes.
Wally, listen. You've already conquered one fear today. You can conquer another.
Those bats are counting on you.
You're right. I'll do whatever it takes to help these baddies. Now, what's the plan, agents? All right. I'm in possession.
Good. Now just act like a bat to lure the rat snake towards you.
And when he gets close,
I'll grab him with my trusty Nature Ranger grabber thingy. Are you sure this is going to work?
Something touched my leg. The snake.
I'm just a totally normal bat hanging out in this cave.
Oh no!
It's coming closer.
stay cool, Wally.
You can do this.
You look tasty.
Now, Wally.
Grab a thingy go!
Uh-oh.
Oh, forget this. I'm out of here.
The snake is leaving! You did it!
Did? I did! Wally Bungler saves the day! I'm a Nature Ranger. There. Last one. No more nose fungus for you, little baddies.